Reception and Nursery, it's Eleanor. I'm here to do some maths with you today. So we're going to be talking about more, the word more. And we're going to make this word map here to help us remember the word. So more. First of all, I like to do this for more when I say more because it means that things get bigger. So more. First of all, we're going to talk about how the word sounds. So what does more start with? More. It starts with an more. More. Now we can write the word more and think of some things that it sounds like or it rhymes with. So I'll write more here. More. Rhymes with door. Door. More. Door. Floor. Floor. More, door, floor, snore, because the giant was doing some snoring in our story this week. Snore. More, door, floor, snore. Maybe you can think of some more. So now we've talked about the word and what it sounds like and starts with. Now we can talk about what it means. So what does more mean? It means that things get bigger. So I'll write that here. Bigger. It means things get bigger, bigger. So I might now draw a picture to help me remember. So I'm going to do this. And I'm going to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. What would one more be? 1, 2, 3, 4, one more, 5. So more means that things get bigger. That would be one more. So I did have 4 and one more makes 5. You might say to somebody, please can I have more? So we can say please can, I is a tricky word. Please can I have more? And I might write more bigger. And what should we have more of? Please can I have more cake? Please can I have more? So things get bigger when you have more. Now we've talked about the word more, I think we should have a go at doing some doubling. So before we begin doubling, I have got something very special in this bag. It's something from our story of the week this week, Jack and the Beanstalk. Can you remember, what does Jack sell Daisy for? I think inside here, there's some magic beans. I've got lots of magic beans here, but I'm just not sure how many I've got in my bag. Do you think you could help me to count? So, I need to remember my careful counting rules. First, I need to put them in a line, so let me do that now. That makes it easier for us to count. My next counting rule is that I need to use my careful counting finger and touch each object. I need to count slowly and carefully, and I need to say a number each time I touch an object. So, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sometimes when I'm counting, I like to say one more each time like this. 1, 1 more 2, 1 more 3, 1 more 4, 1 more 5, 1 more 6, 1 more 7. What would one more be? 7, 1 more 8. Good job, everybody. I'm going to see if there's any more beans. There are a few more. Let's add this to the line. Jack got lots of beans. Let's put them in a line. Now we've got even more beans. Let me go back to the beginning and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Shall we go back to the beginning and say one more each time? 1. 1 more 2. 1 more 3. 1 more 4. 1 more 5. 1 more 6. 1 more 7. 1 more 8. 1 more 9. 1 more 10. 1 more 11. 1 more 12. 1 more would be 13. Good counting, everyone. Okay, so if you're in nursery and if you're in reception, you can have a go at counting some things around your house. It might be your toys, it might be some grapes, it could be anything you like. Or you could go to the supermarket and buy some of these dried beans. So I've got some little white beans here and some little black beans. And I know that butter beans are really nice and big, so you could buy some of those. And you could even turn them into your own magic beans by colouring them in with a felt tip pen like this. And turn them into a magic bean. You'll do a much better job than me. Have a go at counting them. See if you can work out what one more would be, what one bigger would be. And if you're in reception, we're now going to have a go at doing some doubling. So if you've seen Caitlin's video of her reading the story, you'll know that Jack goes up and down the beanstalk quite a few times. First, he goes up and he takes the golden coins. Then he goes up again and he takes the magic hen who lays golden eggs. Then he goes up again and he takes the magic harp. Well, Jack actually went up a 1, 2, 3, 4th time and he found something else, and I've actually got it here. Jack also found this doubling machine. It's got a big red button. Shall we see how it works? This is Jack's doubling machine. I wonder how it works. There's 3 beans on this side and then there's nothing on this side. And there's a big red button here saying double. Do you think I should press it? Okay, 3, 2, 1, double! So I started with 3, then I pressed the double button and now I've got 3 more. It looks like it added the same amount. 3 on this side, 3 on this side. Let's see how many I've got all together. 1, 2, 3, keep counting, 4, 5, 6. So double 3 makes 6. Okay, so this time in the doubling machine, I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 magic beans. Shall I press the double button? Ready? Cool. So I had 5 on this side. Let's see how many I have on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 on this side and 5 on this side. I wonder how many that is all together. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So double 5 makes 10. This time in the doubling machine, I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 magic beans. I wonder what's going to happen to this side when I double it. Let me press the double button. Oh, so I had 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and now it's doubled it. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. So 4 and 4. I wonder if you can work out on your fingers how many that is all together. Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So double 4 makes 8. Good job, everyone. You can have a go at doing some doubling at home. You could even make your own doubling machine. I made mine out of a cardboard box and I printed a picture. You could have a go at doing it on your fingers. So remember, what happens on one side happens on the other side. I've also got this picture of a ladybird and I folded it in half. If you've got a printer, you can print one or you can draw one. And I've got some black paint and I've got a cork. You could use your fingers, you could use a paintbrush, and I'm going to put some paint on this cork and then I'm going to do some spots. So how many spots has my ladybird got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want to double it. So I'm going to fold it in half, squash it down, and I'm going to open it. And now I've got double. So I did have 1, 2, 3, 4 on one side. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. So all together I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can have a go at doing that at home. Okay, everybody, well done. I hope you're having a nice time at home if you're at home. And please remember to send us photos of your learning because we'd love to see. Okay, bye everyone.